For this trip, I'll be towing the Red Centre's Gympie, which is currently in the hands of Macca from Vantec. The Gympie is receiving an exterior coating using Vantec nanoparticle technology, which will prevent permanent damage caused by watermarks, bug splatter and the loss of the van's gloss finish. A once-off application professionally applied and eliminating the need to wax and polish the van as it inevitably gets dirty and exposed to the elements. We'll catch up with Mark again once we hit the muster, but until then, if you're after any more information, just visit vantec.com.au.
As you know, a few weeks ago we put the Vantec product in this before we hit on a little road trip, and now we're going to give it a tub up and show the gang how good the Vantec works.
So we've put the ceramic coating on there.
Yep.
Actually, you look at that just beading up straight away, don't you?
Yep. Yeah, it does get a bit of beading on the ceramic, so yeah, 100%.
I would have to say, straight off the cuff, that even this, you can feel how smooth that is.
Yep.
Actually, you know what, even that checker plate, so the whole what's coated, even
the whole checker
right.
plate. We do any toolboxes are on there, the roof, the sides. Look, everything except the windows and the awning itself, but everything else is, yeah, Vantec, and we give that a go now and see that bit's come up.
Give a bit of a rinse off, I reckon, mate.
Just stand back, mate, we don't want to get you too wet.
Stand back, safety first. Mate, if anyone at home's interested in getting Vantec applied to their new Caravan, where can they get the info?
Yeah, just jump on to vantec.com.au and you'll be up and going.
No worries at all. Now, if you're like me and you don't really enjoy washing your Caravan, it does make it easier. Get amongst it.